Safe and Sane stash that I got from when I was working at Generous Jerry's Fireworks in 2012. And I thought I'd show you what I've got here. Some of these Black Cat things. These things are really good. Solar Wave and Solar Flare. They're both very good. Little cones. Standard Cuckoo. RGS brand. I got this one. I don't know what it'll do, and I don't know if it's going to be like all the other ones. They probably are, probably out of the same factory, but I've got a great big stack, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes here of Black Cats, and then I've got a six pack here from Wind. I don't know if the quality is any different, but I do notice that there is a quality difference in Killer Bees. Now these from Winda, these things are excellent. Winda. They perform really well, but we also were selling loose ones from the factory. They were all loose in a large container, and they didn't perform very well. They usually did. They usually worked, but there were also some funky little duds that just didn't work right. But my last 3 of these Black Cat wheels, and those are pretty cool. I like those. These things are pretty neat. So I had to grab a box of this. $9 each. So what they were going for. But a good long duration. These are heavy. These are bottom weighted, and they're excellent for loading them up with. After they're all burnt, you load it up with, you fill them up with Morning Glory fountains, okay? And then you stick a Morning Glory fountain at the top and then light that top Morning Glory, and then when it burns down into the whole bunch, it just shoots up like crazy. It's nuts. But anyway, yeah, this one here, it starts out with a gentle crackle, almost silent. I call it a stealth crackle. And then it goes to a regular crackle, pretty intense, a lot of that crackle happening, and then it ends, so it's a 3-stage, it ends with a super loud crackle. Popcorn. Okay, very cool. Then from Legend, oh, this is what's left. Yeah, got some of these. I grabbed some of these satellites, aluminum satellites, and what else is in here? Oh, to occupy the space in the box. Black Cat. See, there's a few of them left in here. Those satellites. These. Oh, I didn't get that. No, they don't sell that kind of stuff because it flies over at. So I think I got those over at the reservation. So that, never mind about that. Sorted fountains by Black Cat here. A couple of them in a pack, and howlers and jade somethings. Okay. Anyway, I don't know what they were like, so I wanted to know, so I grabbed it. I got something else like that over here. These are, there's 4 in there. Green glittering, golden glittering, yeah, and I don't know what that is. Old Glory, I guess. Flowers? That's all I can tell. Something. Lovely flowers? Who knows? No, that's not lovely. There's an R in there. And tricolored spring is what it looks like. Tricolored spring. There we go. Try to aim your camera, Mike. There. Wanted to see what those were about. Whole bunch of black cat cattails. Got a stack of them. Working over to my fans, fountain fans. Razzle Dazzle by Winda. $10 for that. Performance. Loud crackle. And red strobe. I wonder what that's gonna be like. Doesn't that sound intriguing? Yeah, and another. I had to get a big Finale fan. $30 for this thing, though. They were asking. Canon. Amazing. I call it a 500-gram limit category. Now you can see how those things are set in there. Got quite a few in there. Make a nice fountain finale. All this stuff is going. I got this stuff for, and I'm holding on to it just for, in case somebody wants me to do a backyard show for them in a safe and sane state of Minnesota. This guy here is wow. Sky Sung fireworks. Yes. City lights. And there's probably something going on in the middle there. I don't know, but it looks like it's a progressive. It feels like clay in the bottom there. But let's see if we can find a performance. No. So, Phantom. There we go. Phantom fireworks. It's all over the place, Mike. Why can't you tell? It's Phantom fireworks all over the place. Alright. At least they put their name on it. Some more Black Cat. Here's a huge Black Cat pot of gold. $6 for that thing, huh? Well, here's one for $4.50. Tropical fish. Probably not as interesting. I don't know. Ground bloom fountain. I don't know what that. I'm gonna have to go online and see what these things do. That's a $6 fountain. Yeah, I don't see any performance on that. Oh, it's all over the place here. There we go. Look at all that. Look at all that stuff that it does. You can pause that and whatever. Gotta move on. Oh, shell fountain. Black Cat. I mean Canon, excuse me. 21st century performance. Three-level fountain. Interesting. Color pearls, chrysanthemum, crackling, and pearls. Interesting. I got another one too, because I really wanted to try out different fan type fountains. So, Princess Tiara. This girl named Tiara came in and she said she wanted a fountain. They came in and she told me what her name was with her parents, and I said, oh, I know exactly what you want, and I got this for them, and then he came back and they said they loved it. Okay, ornaments. Some better light on that. you. There we go. Okay. This. Wow. And I never heard of that brand before either. Unclear War. Wow. Hey, look at that. Spawn. Oh man. That's Spawn. Very cool. Alright. Performance. Get a good handle on this. Pearls, chrysanthemum, green pearls, flowers, crackling. Ending with crackling. And then I got something else very similar in shape. Canon. Or a poison. All those spiders on there. Okay. Shores of sparks. Oh, here we go. Huh. Wow. Oh, that sounds weird. Okay. But anyway, that's pretty much about it. For the most part, what I've got left. So, alright. Oh, one more thing. Right over here. That's all of my crackling balls. Jumbo crackling balls from Canon. And a couple from Legend here. A couple packs. So, that's it. Oh, and the last couple of items here that I also got is 4th of July picnic. It's by Winda. And the performance is that sounds pretty exciting, huh? It does. It really does sound exciting. A lot going on in that one. And then, of course, my Spin Dragons, which I've done demos on before. Got a box of them. Lots and lots. $20 packages of 6s. A window, of course. And here's a look at the performance. Where's my... There we go. Okay, that should do it. That's everything. Happy St. Mark's Day?
Yes.
There he goes.
No problem. Thank you. Happy St. Mark's Day.
They each have $5. I don't know if they have enough to get what they're getting.
Okay. What this is, there's fireworks sale.
Well, that's why they're bugging me, and I said, you know what, you get $5.
Sure. 165 for all four.